Florida saw an increase of 15,300 new coronavirus cases in a 24-hour period, a record for the highest number in a single day from any U.S. state. Florida now has more than 269,000 cases of the virus, with Miami-Dade County reporting 64,443 on its own. The state has seen 4,241 deaths. The U.S. has seen 3.2 million coronavirus cases with 135,000 deaths. What states are adding cases? What states aren't? According to data from John Hopkins, 33 states are seeing higher rates of new cases compared to the previous week: Alabama, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, New Mexico, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, West Virginia and Wisconsin. 14 rates are holding stead on new case growth: Alaska, Arizona, Maryland, Mississippi, Nevada, New Hampshire, Oregon, New York, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Washington and Wyoming. 3 states have reported declining rates of new infections: Delaware, Maine and New Jersey. Cuomo predicts NY cases to rise due to other states. New York will likely see a bump in coronavirus cases due to travelers coming to the city from other places. Cuomo said while the state has quarantine orders in place for travelers from COVID hotspots, including Alabama, enforcing them can be like trying to catch water in a screen. Cuomo said it was a shame to see the virus reemerge in New York after its own lockdown. The other states don't take the same precautions. It rises up in the other states and then is going to come back here from the other states. That's what's going to happen, he said. The only question is how far up our rate goes. But you can't have it all across the country and not come back. You think nobody's coming here from California and these states? NY reports no COVID deaths. Some good news out of New York City. For the first time since early March, New York City reported 0 new coronavirus deaths. The NYC Department of Health and Mental Hygiene reported no new deaths on Saturday, the first time that's occurred since March 13. No confirmed deaths were reported the previous day, but 2 probable deaths were listed. The city has reported a total of 215,924 cases and 18,670 confirmed deaths. The highest single day of deaths was April 7 when 597 people died from COVID. Disney reopens. Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando reopened to visitors Saturday after a closure of nearly 4 months. Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom opened Saturday. Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios are set to reopen July 15. Among the new precautions were temperature screenings, social distancing in lines and rides and mandatory masks for all visitors over age 2. Disney has also implemented a reservation system that limits the number of guests in the park on a given day.